Hey, this is Steven with Off-Road Assassin, and we're behind the wheel of our 2019 Chevrolet Silverado, which we recently just put Hellwig's rear sway bar on and Pro Series upholstery. Our Silverado is our tow vehicle for all of our projects, but it also sees time in the dirt and on the street. Our main goal of putting these products on was to make sure that when we're towing safely. After installing these products, we were able to see the benefits right away. Even without our trailer connected, the rear sway bar was able to help control body roll just driving on the street. Hooking up a trailer without the helper springs gave us a sag which created unsafe driving conditions. After installing the helper springs, we were able to keep a more level load with the trailer hooked up. Overall, we couldn't be happier with the way the truck feels with the trailer hooked up and without. For more information on Hellwig's products, be sure to check out their website. And for all the latest news, stay right here on Off-Road Assassin.